tayo. Kombucha. Saan ba yung nakalagay? Doing good. And to every single drink. Brew. Doing good. Meron kaming ano dito. Oh. Subahin namin yung bayawak na dumaan dito kanina. Ang layo nyo. Ang layo niya. Pang ilan mo na yan? Ubus na.
Yummy marshmallows.
Namin, yung tent namin, oh. Pang ilan mo na yan, Samantha?
I'm doing marshmallows.
Yeah.
Look how burnt that is.
Oh.
That's so soft.
Iniihaw nila yung marshmallow. Aray! 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 Oh, careful. I think, oh, the fire, oh, went on.
Yeah, the fire went on me too.
Not, yeah.
Here. So,
Pumunta yung apoy sa aking ano, oh. Sunog. Ang init. Ano ba yan?
what is that?
Yeah, not here.
Yeah.
Can smell something. You want more? Careful, it's what? It's hot. Ayun,
Careful,
gapang-gap.
careful, whatever you call.
因为他刚刚去那边都没有火，所以他一直在那边捡东西吃。
Bobby, put him here.
No,
Oh,
I don't want him. I don't want him. I want the mouse. Dad, get him.
那你要
It's
放哪？
also near the fire.
nayaan na naman ng isa ang init-init.
It's also near the fire.
Samantha, inano mo na yun, oh? Your marshmallow is dirty now. Ayan,
Can I
usok
feed
na.
it to the doggy?
No, doggy doesn't like that. Ang sarap na sanang sugbahan. Oh, sana nagdala ako ng panugba. Aldo, Samantha, careful with the, don't click with this thing, the fire. Okay,
I don't want it.
okay, I'll have it. Yan na, oh. Burn. Muusok pa. Ah. Hannah, what did you do? Let me see. Let me see.
I'll put it in the
Naku,
fire.
yung kapitbahay namin There's a one nappy here, honey.
Just put it in the fire. I put it on the floor. Ah! Yeah. No, I tried to put it in the fire.
Can you give that to daddy?
What?
You cannot chuck marshmallow here. Naamoy ko yung kanilang barbecue. Ang sarap.
I'm having double marshmallows.
Can you have it? Don't waste the marshmallow, please.
I'm having double marshmallows.
Yeah.
Having double marshmallows.
Do you have the... Oh. Honey. Do you have the wipes? Get... Oh.
Yay! I love roasting marshmallows. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Not too close, Samantha. It's burned now. That's it. Don't flick the fire. Are you just wasting the marshmallow? Naaksayahan na lang nila, oh.
It's not even burnt.
Ay, naku. Samantha, daddy can have that one, please. Don't put on the... Don't put in the ground.
Would you like a marshmallow? This is the best way to do it. Spin it round and round so all the parts will get burnt.
Yes. Parang nag-barbecue lang. Yeah. Perfect. I think it's perfect. Yeah, it's not burned. Look at me. Look at
Can you get that off?
me. Show it to me. Yeah. Look at that. It's perfect. It's not burned.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Not even burnt. Dad, this is the first time I've done a marshmallow circus.
What happened? Ah. Bobby on the chair, ha? Hindi niya mabantayan. Wala na tayong pang ano. See? I told you eh. Gusto na kasi ano, dapat gabi to eh. Gusto na kasi nilang i-fire. Tara, wala na to mamaya. Pag malamig na, wala nang fire.
Just to make you happy because you sting yourself.
Bobby, honey.
It's so sticky.
You need more wood now.
Just blowing. Run! No, we've got
Kita ang
still some
bundok.
there. Oh yeah. We can pull that.
Samantha, don't waste it, okay?
Yep.
Give it to daddy if daddy can have it. Ginaksayahan lang nila. Ihaw. Wala kami pang ihaw eh. Dapat meron kami mga ano, ang sarap ihaw dito. Oh. Isda or yan. Tapos sa likod namin gubat na.
Nice and good. Yuck.
Why?
It was bad. Look!
Yeah, I think like that. See?
It's not even black.
Yeah.
It's all brown.
Just brown.
That's perfect.
Yeah. Don't put on the fire closer. Just up hand, Samantha.
Juicy.
Just a little bit fire. Yung heat niya.
Yum.
Yummy. Yummy.
Hurry. Perfect.
Perfect. Ay, chura. Yan na yung ano nyo, hapunan.
Perfect.
Yan na yung hapunan nyo.
See, it's a little bit brown.
That is there. Papalit ng napi. Yummy! Yeah, if it's still you need the
Masha,
smoke.
what? What? Okay. 1 meter.
Diba?
I like the white ones the most.
Naubos na yan.
Because they're normal kinds. That's a perfect.
Oh, yes.
How do you do perfect kind?
Maybe not closer to
I
the...
just put it near the fire and then take it off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a quick one. Ano ba yan?
What's that? What was it?
The fire is... Mga ano ba? Pumipitik-pitik.
I know it hurts.
Yeah, careful. Punta sa ano nyo ba? Pumunta yung... Ayan, oh.
It's a little
Sunog.
bit brown. Let me.
Put in his high chair, honey. Oh, but he's crawling around. Careful.
This time I'm trying to pick one.
Can you make daddy a perfect one?
Okay.
Yeah.
Do
Gives.
you like me? Okay. I'm an expert at this.
Yes.
So,
Hindi niya nababurn eh. Sarap sana yung sugbahan ng ano eh. Dapat pala nagdala ako ng pangsugba.
how can you do this?
Ano? Oh. Let me see. That's okay.
Is that okay with you? A tiny bit, man. I can make you a white one. The white ones are easy to
Mausok na. Mausok na. Oh! Why you don't need that one? That's your stick. Ah. Tinapon niya na yung stick niya. Paano ka pa ano ng marshmallow niyan? Oh.
Oh, Samantha. It's actually there.
He wants more chips. Mabuti meron tong dito. Para pag
Do you want these?
No, no thanks.
That one. Any?
Tomorrow, yes.
We need to save them.
Oh, Bobby's coming, honey.
No, no, don't go near the fire. I'm scared.
Come to daddy. Ayan. Pang ilan mo na yan? Naubos na nila yung marshmallow.
Wow. How do you...
Oy! Ano ba yan? Pumipitik. Yan oh. Bundok na. Sa gitna kami ng bundok.
Sticking stuff on your clothes.
There, it's tiny bit more.
There's a better way of washing your hands.
Yeah, there's a tissue there, Samantha.
Just wipes it on that jacket. Really.
Ah, that's
Do it with the water.
not the water tissue.
Here you go.
Ayan, palubog na yung araw. Kasi mag-aalas 7 na dito. Pero maano pa din. Yung ibang kapitbahay. Tapos meron sa baba. Marami.
How do we fly it?
Are you gonna do more, Hannah?
No. Yeah.
Because, take you a nice photo.
And send it to Grandma.
Yeah.
Okay, this is going to be the perfectest one I've ever done.
Okay.
Hannah, do a video and say hi, Grandma. Can you pause this video?
Alright.